Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the channel if you're new, and otherwise welcome back. In this video, we're going to do a full update here on Avalanche or Avax, which was necessary. This morning, Avax has been the strongest crypto in the markets. Well, there's always shitcoins that rally harder, but if you take a look at this, it gives you a very, very clear image. Basically for the last 5 hours, Avax, Avalanche, and Trader Joe, the biggest DeFi protocol, of course, on Avax, have outperformed the entire market. Is still rallying right now. You can see down here we're gaining a ton of momentum. The momentum is actually back at the same levels it was Saturday the 23rd. So I think we're breaking out, and I wanted to talk about that and just in general what to expect here. So that's what we'll do. We're going to do a full analysis, fundamentals, technicals, where can we go, what's the main resistance level, what could be a great price target. In short, everything you need to know, or at least everything I think you should know. So let's get right into it. So first of all, what we're seeing partially, I think, is a little bit of catching up with Solana. Historically, Solana and Avalanche have always rallied together, as most of you know, and Solana has now outperformed Avax by much, much more. And just in general, what you tend to see, or what you see quite often, is that Avax, also back in the spring, for example, Avax is the slower one, so it takes a little bit longer to actually catch up. But now it's catching up. Like you could have seen, the momentum is increasing rapidly, the open interest, and what you can see as well is that the volume is doing great as well. Volume at $1.5 billion. Could be higher, to be fair, which is a bit of a blessing and a curse, because that also means that there's more room for more volume to get in. Volume at the previous highs was at 2.4. But like I said, that also means that more volume can get into the price. When we're taking a look at the fundamentals here, what you can see is that the DEX trading volumes are up. TVL is up. It's still, I would say, like if you compare this with some other networks, it's not the strongest. Like if you compare that growth with Solana and even Cardano, they both grew much more. But overall, like I said, I mean, this is bullish. We had a little bit of a short-term downtrend here, as you can see. We broke that with the momentum earlier this morning. Since then, we did not look back. Now we broke above the previous high here at $45. I think it's quite likely we're going to get some sort of a shallow pullback, right? So when we're looking at the price right now, maybe we'll get some sort of a pullback into $44, $43. It's a possibility. But ultimately, if we zoom out here, the main price target we have is $50. All right, a little bit lower, maybe if you do it like this, it's between like $46.5 and $50. But I think we are at least going for that level. All right, so now we've broken that short-term downtrend. We're gaining volume. We are gaining a massive amount of momentum. So this is what I would expect on the short term. And then the big question is well, can we actually break above that entire level, right? Because to actually break above this level, we would need to break above $50, which at this point of time is still about 10% up from here. So can we do that? And that's going to depend on that volume, right? If the volume can keep increasing, right now it's at 1.5. If it increases to like $2.2 billion, then I do think we can actually break above $50 over the course of today or tomorrow and get up to that next price target right here at 60. That is certainly a possibility. But the thing is that depends, right? And given that the volume right now is not that high, I'm going to be honest with you and tell you that I think we're going there, but I think from here we will actually form some sort of a similar structure as we did right here, before later on going up to $60. All right. This is what I would say is most likely for Avalanche right now, given the circumstances. I will keep you updated on this if you're interested in that, so let me know. But for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.